Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at Trello, one of the most popular task management apps out there. Is it still the best choice for organizing your life and projects in 2024? Let's find out. If you're new here, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around till the end for all the details. Main content. Trello is known for its simple yet powerful Kanban-style boards, where you can organize tasks using lists and cards. Whether you're managing work projects, planning events, or just keeping track of daily to-dos, Trello's clean and visual interface makes it easy to stay organized. In 2024, Trello has added some great features to improve productivity. You now get more automations with their Butler tool. You can set up rules, reminders, and automatic updates, saving you time on repetitive tasks. For example, you can move a task to the done list, and Trello will automatically check it off for you. Trello also shines when it comes to collaboration. Teams can share boards, assign tasks, and comment directly on cards. Integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and even Zoom make it a perfect hub for team productivity. Plus, if you're a solo user, Trello's free version gives you enough features to manage your personal tasks effectively. For those who love customization, Trello offers power-ups, add-ons that bring features like calendar views, time tracking, and analytics to your boards. And in 2024, the app has improved its mobile experience, so managing tasks on the go is smoother than ever. That said, Trello isn't perfect. For highly complex projects with dependencies or Gantt charts, it might feel limited compared to tools like Asana or ClickUp, but for most users, its simplicity is a major strength. Conclusion. So is Trello still the best task management app in 2024? If you're looking for an easy to use, flexible, and visual tool to organize your tasks, absolutely. It's great for both individuals and teams with powerful automations and integrations to boost your workflow. Are you using Trello in 2024? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more app reviews. See you in the next video.